Hi everybody, it's JJ with Odin's Eye Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make bookmarks. They're really quick and easy little bookmarks. I like to put them in like Christmas cards, stocking stuffers, that kind of thing. Very, very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to make them. So, the first thing you're going to do is grab a piece of, let's see, this is 12 gauge wire. So I'm going to cut a piece off that's maybe, I don't know, 8 inches long. Okay, so I've got my piece here. And the other thing you're going to need are needle nose pliers. Again, I use these a lot, I guess. And I'm going to take the end, go right to the middle of my pliers. And let's see if I can see it. Okay. And we go right to the end of the wire. And turn it. So that's the beginning of my heart on one side. Okay, so I get a little bit of a loop. So I'm going to go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Right to the end of my wire, and then just turn it. So now I have loops on either end. Okay. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wire and bend it right in half so the loops kind of match up like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what I like to do. And then down here, I'm going to push the ends, the middle part together. Like that. And I'm going to use my flathead pliers and just try to get it as close as possible. Probably use a little bit more work with my fingers there, actually. So just push it together a little bit more like that. And then I'm going to squeeze it together so it touches itself. Like that. And sometimes it'll twist a little bit like that. That's okay. You can just twist it right back. No problem. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like so far. Then I'm going to start down at the bottom and kind of make my heart shape down at the bottom here. Almost looks like a wishbone. And I'm going to take these two sides, and you can start curling them together so they end up looking like this, like a nice tight curl. Or you can do it like this. What I'm going to do is the second one. So I'm going to take my loop with my needle nose pliers, and I'm just going to gently loop it around like that. So now I have one side. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Just gently loop it. Like that. Just kind of get it to where you want it. So now it looks like this. So you can leave it like this, or what you can do, and what I did with these ones, was I took my a hammer and my anvil, and I pounded them out pretty flat. This is my anvil. It's the anvil that I use. And this is the hammer that I use. I don't do it directly on my table. I usually put the anvil on a piece of wood. Put my piece on top like that. And then just hammer it, and hammer it flat. And I will do that on both sides. I usually start at the bottom and kind of work my way up and around, and then flip it over and do the same thing. And that's that. And that's how you make a heart-shaped bookmark. Have any questions? Let me know. odinseyart@gmail.com. And I hope you have a great day.